How we doing, everyone? Welcome back to the Tricky Brickies. Well, today we're doing something completely different, something I haven't done before on the show, so hopefully you're going to enjoy it. Right, I've made it all the way into London, right outside MI6. It's Tricky going there. Well, ladies and gents, I'm here where I've come to, Vox Studios. Tricky Bricky's going on. Fix FM, the builder's radio station with Izzy the Bricky. Oi oi. So I'm just pulling up here now. Let's go and see what this place is all about. Studio, back to the studio. I'm in. Got my little script. Got to learn my lines. Here we are then, ladies and gentlemen. Fix Radio Studios. I'm here with a bench and Bricky over there, look. Harrison, oi oi. We're large and in charge. Look, they've got the same lights as in my little studio, although 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jesus Christ, I've got 3. There's like 9 here. Wow. Made me look bold.
When you think about it, like, you know, when maybe you've done something a bit embarrassing or
Right, show's over. Now it's time for the boys. We're going to go and lubricate ourselves. Quick pint.
On me.
Christmas pint. Oi oi. And there is the famous.
Is it the Bricky?
I was going to say Big Ben, but yeah. Here we go, boys. Christmas pint. Cheers. Cheers. Wow. That's cheap. You're in London. So there we go, ladies and gentlemen. That was nice. Something different. A little Christmas treat for you all. I bet you didn't expect to see Tricky messing around on Fix Radio. So a little walk now down the south side of the embankment. Got Big Ben over the other side. I'm just going to walk up here to Westminster train station. Little walk and go and catch the train back home. Oi oi. And then he was home. Hope you enjoyed that, guys and girls. Yeah, I'll do this just for the members, and I'm going to stick it on the TVE next time I do a show. But yeah, hope you enjoyed that, guys and girls, and you'll be able to hear that. It's going to be out about January time. So yeah, enjoy. Hope you enjoy that, fellas, guys and girls. I'll see you on the TVE soon. Big one, yeah.
Boys have a penis, have a vagina.